LF communication using Murata's LF antennas. Usage examples of stable, accurate wireless communication using magnetic fields. Let's take a look at direction detection. The mechanism of direction detection using LF communication involves installing two transmitting antennas to detect the direction in which a target moves based on changes in the strength of the signals received from each antenna. Direction detection. If we utilize this mechanism by simply equipping an employee ID with a receiving tag, for example, we can identify whether the person carrying that employee ID is in the meeting room or outside the door. Entry and exit management. The ability to detect direction makes it possible for employees to pass through a gate hands-free without having to hold up their employee IDs. This technology is also less affected by the human body and bags. Accordingly, it is possible to manage the entry and exit of many people simultaneously. Highly accurate position detection technology using LF communication is expected to be applied to various fields in addition to direction detection. Please feel free to contact us for inquiries and details about Murata's LF antennas.